Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the headset and mix amp ready. Plug the mix amp into the Xbox rear USB port now so it gets power and data. Once done, set the mix amp switch to the Xbox/console setting. This tells the amp to expect console-level audio. Make sure the controller firmware is updated and you keep the mix amp physically close for cable reach. These first steps remove the optical requirement, because Series X lacks optical, and let the console recognize the mix amp as a USB audio device. Now you configure audio on the Xbox so the mix amp routes both game and chat. Go to Settings, then Volume and Audio Output. Choose the USB headset output and pick your preferred spatial audio format, like Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos, to match mix amp capabilities. Once selected, adjust the chat mixer on the console and use the mix amp's game/chat dial to blend levels. Make sure the headset's cable is firmly seated in the mix amp jack. This ensures you hear both audio streams and mic pass-through. Finish by putting the A40 on and joining a party or launching a game to verify audio and microphone transmission. If you don't hear game audio, confirm Xbox is still outputting to the USB headset and that the mix amp is in the console position. The amp must be powered. If the mic isn't working, restart the console, reseat the USB and headset cables, and check Xbox microphone privacy settings. Those often block chat. For persistent issues, try another rear USB port or toggle spatial audio off and on to reset the stream.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.